Hi, I'm Caroline Dunn with Wahsega. A common problem that I see today in schools is teachers trying to teach from behind plexiglass or while wearing a cloth mask. And student learning is suffering simply because the students can't hear the teacher. Fortunately, Wahsega has a plug-and-play solution that includes this off-the-shelf microphone, a Wahsega speaker, and our sound reinforcement panel. No amp is necessary. Now let me turn on my sound reinforcement panel. And now you can hear my voice amplified through the Wahsega speaker, also Wahsega IP display. This works with both wireless or wired off-the-shelf microphones. The setup between the sound reinforcement panel to all of our Wahsega speakers is exactly the same. It is one Ethernet cable from the back of our Wahsega Sound Reinforcement Panel to the port on our speaker or IP display. I am taking my off-the-shelf wireless microphone receiver, and this is just the regular 3.5 millimeter cable that came with it, plugging it right into my sound reinforcement panel, and then all I have to do is turn it on. Then I'll turn on my wireless microphone. Next, I'll need to turn on this part of the microphone, and I can simply adjust the volume on my sound reinforcement panel. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need help, I will provide a link below to contact one of our Wahsega Solutions advisors. For Wahsega, I'm Caroline Dunn.